drinking beer all night long.
Today, we're going to put these NAO LED headlights on Richard's car because he got that poverty spec GTI.
You already know.
We got those GTI S model lights. So in order to match the high beams with the everything else on it, we're gonna put these LEDs on from NAO. They're 6000K, and they're gonna brighten it up, make it look a lot whiter than this stock yellow bulbs.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get started.
Yeah.
Oh boy, this shit hot. Now you can just turn it down.
Oh, restarting it.
No, go ahead.
I got big rocks.
They should just be plug and play. Oh my god, this shit is so hot. Everything's so hot. No. It's just the bulb.
Turn it.
No, it's just the bulb. Pull it up.
Oh.
No.
That's what I said.
From the silver part, but not this silver part.
Oh. Isn't there a clip?
No.
Did you take this plastic thing off?
I don't know.
Yeah, you can.
But why? That's what you're supposed to do?
It won't. The seat will.
How do you know? It looks square and that shit's square. It's these clips right there. Yo, so how do these clip in? So we just try to put them on, and this piece has to come off first, this little flange. And then I'm assuming that this piece is gonna go back on.
That doesn't fit on there.
So how are
So
you?
you're gonna have to put this in first.
No way. No way. There's no way. No, the engine has to be on. We got this side done. We're gonna see if it worked. Oh yes. So it worked, and then we'll go through how we did it, because there was some modification we had to do to the stock bracket stuff. So that's the stock headlight with the daytimes. So you see they don't match. This is white, this is ugly ass yellow. And then now these match. So that was the whole point of these headlights, was to get them to be matchy. So what we have to do with these stock retainers is bore this out a little bit so that the bulb will slide through the back. Yeah, let's go do that right now. Don't stop.
There you go.
We'll see if this is enough. It looks like it is. It's pretty wide, right? Here and here.
Oh, it looked like it's moved out. Yeah. No,
Huh?
it moved out.
What
Like
do you
it
mean
opened
moved
up more.
What? Oh, it didn't like drill through it, just
No.
fucking.
Warped it a bit.
You don't need all 10 toes. So the second side was supposed to be the easier side, and the little cap came off the bulb. So now we've been 20 minutes trying to fish it out of here.
I forgot you, little fella.
Oh! You fucked that up. You will never get it. You will never get this.
La, 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 la. What the fuck?
So now it's stuck between the headlight housing and the fucking high beam or what. So Richard's still playing with the bumper. I'm gonna get rid of this ugly ass red because it goes with nothing on his car. How about just don't talk? So it's been about a week from where we left off in this video. We had to wait on some parts, and what we were waiting for were these clips right here. These have a lot more space so that the bulb right here, so that the bulb can slide in and lock it into the headlight. Before the stock one, before we destroyed it, it wouldn't allow it to slide in. We had to drill it some, and before we destroyed it, this is what. Oh, this is the side I did?
No.
Oh, this is the other side. This is the junkyard one.
Yeah.
All right. So we have no OEM ones to show you, but
Well, yeah. Well, non.
Yeah. So we'll just continue with the installing. So we needed to put the OEM style retainer clip on the back and then slide this black housing back on, and now it should go in and lock down, and that should be it. Hopefully. You took it off. After like 18 tries to get it in, you get it in and then you take it off. This guy. You're fucking fired. I'm fired! Bitch. This is the installed side over here. There's the adapter wires. And it runs into the fan for the LED. To keep it from, I guess, overheating. This side has been such a pain in the ass because of the fuse box right there. Can't really get your hand back there to work on anything. So we got this other side installed, but we got to see if we need to flip the plug or not because they're polarized. We'll find out. Yeah, we need to switch. Pop the hood. Pop the hood. Just pop the hood. Chill out. Pop the hood. Pop the hood. You didn't even plug it in, you retard. This guy, he didn't even fucking plug it in. And you also didn't get it to sit because I went to plug it in and it came out. So we're back to square one.
Ah, come on.
This is why I had it plugged in first.
Fucking shit. No, hold on, man. What the fuck?
No, you see?
Listen to Eddie, man. Do it the way Eddie told you, man.
Get motherfucker.
I mean, I got one side done.
Nah, no, you didn't. Nah.
Day 3 on this. Day 3.
Why you had to curse at you like,
On a
don't
headlight
celebrate
inside.
yet?
Well, you cursed it when you celebrated early. They make whole YouTube videos on celebrating too early.
Yep.
Is it hooked up? Is it plugged in?
Finally hooked up.
Is it plugged in?
Fuck, yes it is.
Hey, you know what's gonna happen now, right?
What?
Is since it's polarized, we're gonna fucking have to flip them.
Watch.
Yeah, watch. And then it's gonna turn out, oh, it's not fucking plugged in this time either. Or retained in the headlight. Oh, this is only like take number 4 for trying to get this headlight to come on. Yay! We win. Don't turn them off. I want to. Don't turn them off. Oh yeah, that looks much better than those ugly yellow headlights. What about high beams and shit? I know they're separate bulbs, but they're still yellow. See, this is what we were trying to avoid, having yellow lights in the headlight. So now you need some yellow high beam. Oh yeah, that'd be cool. Now the fogs match. Hey, back up some. Yeah, now the fogs match the headlights. That was such a ugly design. Such an ugly design from Volkswagen to have the halogen lights with the LED fogs. But now everything matches, the daytimes, the fogs, and the headlights. And then Richard said he's gonna go Frenchy. He's gonna go Frenchy style on the high beams. So they're gonna be yellow. And that should look pretty good if it lights up the housing like the older ones do.
Oh my gosh.
So now that Richard's car has the headlights installed, tomorrow, well, whenever you guys see the next video, I don't know. But as of today,
On the next episode.
as of today, tomorrow, me and Mario are flying to Connecticut to pick up Mark 7 Golf R. But yeah, hopefully everything works out. We're gonna go fly up to Connecticut, get the Mark 7, probably stop in New York for lunch, and then come home. And then we'll start modding that right away. So I'm sure Mario's got parts waiting. He's trying to be faster than me.
No, not trying.
He's about to get whooped.
He's not trying to be faster than me, he says.
Wherever it ends up, it ends up.
He says he's gonna be faster than me on a smaller turbo. We'll see. I don't think so either.
I'll be able to keep up.
He'll be able to keep up with my back
I don't
bumper.
know what I would do with that.
Back bumper. Everything you see in this mirror. How's that shit go?
Mario will get a good look at those taillights to decide whether or not he wants the OEM ones. What are you doing now?
I thought you drove.
You know what? I'm actually gonna leave it at that and see what our
Hey, why don't you do the bushings right
the LEDs?
Ooh, we should.
Huh?
You down?
Yeah.
Wait. We could be doing the bushings on a Golf R.
No, I rather do
Nah,
Are you sure?
Nah, son, nah. That's.
I fucking trying to do this motherfucker. We gotta do
I don't feel the difference.
we gotta do something
He
with
told me.
So I guess now we're actually going to put shifter bracket bushings on Richard's car. Because why not? Then he'll just have to, I don't know, buy a short shifter or suck it up and get mine. Or maybe Mario wants mine, I don't know. We'll see. For some reason they're hating on like the most expensive one you can get. So we're going to take the intake out, this secondary hose for the intake so we can get to the bushings that are way back down there. I don't know if Richard wants to take his battery out or not, but it'll make our lives easier. Pop these screws off. Your T25. Pull this coolant line off. Pull this stupid ass hose off. This vacuum one. You want sweet tea? Oh shit.
I mean, there's 2 sweet teas.
What you do?
I'm giving you 5.
Oh.
You want one?
No.
I mean, which one you want?
No.
This one?
Are you in the... Where's the red one? Oh, good job. These are the best pliers you can own for a Volkswagen. It's really hard to do with one hand. Let me set you down. So, pinch it, and then you flip the switch right here, and you flip the switch right here, and it locks it in place. So now you can just move it.
My dad, I'm like,
extender?
No, we don't need an extender right now.
They were like 240 for the door. How much are you at right now in the garage? Where it was standing for 24. 24? I mean, I still got 500. So I only got like 4,000.
Get a little, we still have the flatheads out, or you put them away? We need to pop these little clips right here. Never mind, I did it with my finger.
For the siding.
Alright, hold this.
Door. I may be able to finish it, but not that floor. I may not be able to do that floor, but I may be able to finish to that and
I like how he asked the floor and he translated it for him in case he didn't know what floor meant in English.
When he knows
The
Spanish.
floor? El piso.
Like chicken is pollo.
You found someone that was selling the same. Yeah, but
These are a pain in the ass.
I started thinking about it. Why would I buy the floor when I can buy something else and then you just run out of money? That's $900 right there.
You just want to go to Pep Boys and get the
My siding.
get the
None of that shit. So you
what are they called? Spectre?
So already buy that and use that floor last.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
The fucking the cone.
Damn, look how clean that transmission is.
Right?
Clean. Don't hold it sideways, you dickhead.
What? Why is your battery so
Not like this, like this. That's an Android user.
Was it 10s?
13s.
He kept calling my dad. That's being used now.
Trying to get these camera. This bolt, there's 3 of them. There's one there, one under this hose, and then one in the top of the transmission. I'm using both. So we're gonna stop playing around and take the battery out. We were trying to avoid that because we hate when it resets shit, but Richard will be alright.
I don't even have. She wants you to pay for something? Yeah. I mean, of course, I was wanting to pay for the time but.
Hey, that's what I.
Who's going to water?
It's like really hard to find.
To lower my credit card.
Ooh, your transmission is so hot. Oh my god.
But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna stretch it out on my credit card. I mean, it's only like $10,000. Yeah, I know. Yeah, but I had a good card.
Dude, touch this. I'm not even gonna put it on your fucking.
Yeah. That was fuck.
I had all that money on it, and I had just ran it up too.
What the fuck, bruh? I'm trying to brand you right now, bruh. What happened? Hey, you trying to fuck my OEM parts up.
So these are the shifter bracket bushings from ECS. They came off my Golf R after we lost them during the transmission install, and now we found them like a year later. So I ended up replacing them. So now I just have extra ones, and we're gonna put them in Richard's car now. Fucking nope. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get to that other one, but we'll try. Wait, we're not done yet. No, you don't know shit. I'm about to pull the camera out of the picture.
Well, I thought you could pop those up. Or they like a...
They're lipped like this. So
versus...
So this is the stock one. And then these are the bushings that's going to replace it. It's going to keep it real solid.
Y'all get the point, right?
So with these clips out, I'm hoping I can move the bracket a little bit better to get it to where.
Oh yeah.
I'm trying to avoid taking these off right here so that we don't have to realign his shifter. I'm just trying to cheat, man.
Oh, right there.
think I was fucking it up by.
Let's push that out right there.
So the bushings are in. I'm gonna put the battery bracket back in, button it all back up, and see what Richard thinks about the bushings.
So these bushings are gonna have like 10 horsepower?
12 to be exact.
Alright, bet.
Just like the roof wrap on Alejandro's WRX, it added all the horsepowers. No man, somebody's comment was, oh, how much horsepower did this add? Fuck you, that's how much.
Yeah, I realized the Spanish way.
Wait, what did Nick just tell us yesterday? The Greeks do?
No, if it is like slow, it goes like this. If it's a big fuck, it goes like.
Oh, he does like this. He said you gotta get real dramatic.
No, you gotta go like.
Fuck you.
Fucking nope!
That's that Cat Williams pitch right there.
Fired because when you get close to that store and you see that shit, just like it's gonna come to me.
This last screw right
He
there.
was fucking and then the other one is just.
And finito.
And the test drive.
That's right.
You gonna come over, Eddie?
Yeah. See if Richard likes how notchy it is. It's right notchy.
Came from the factory, not you. Well, I should have took the car, man. Oh yeah. That feels legit.
Feels like a gated shifter.
Feels way better than everything.
I need to get some tires and motor mounts. Oh yeah. Oh fuck, I gotta do this.
Magic.
Go.
Magic.
What the hell? Why didn't check engine light go off? No, I'm
Because it's the Volkswagen. It comes with it. It comes with it installed.
Slaps hood.
A wild goober appears.
Nah, we're all chapin right here.
Oh, mira, tú goobers. Esa tú goobers.
Trying to go eat, man.
Tú pendejos.
I'm hungry as fuck.
Así, tú pendejos. Ajá. Maricons. Don't forget your cell phone. Richard's first real drive with the new bushings. See if he can tell a difference.
Oh yeah.
Better. Should have come like that from the factory.
Fuck yeah. At least I BS with that. I mean, do the Audis come with the better bushings?
Nah, they're all built for comfort.